Hi everyone, I am Princess Rizal Imontifar and I am from BSN 1B2 and today I will perform the return demonstration for hand gloving. So let's start. The first thing that we have to do is to wash our hands. So yun, nakapaghugas na po ako ng kamay. And next is to gather supplies. Ang kailangan lang natin supplies is gloves. Next is to place the inner wrapper at a clean dry surface. Open the wrapper to expose the gloves. Next naman ay kailangan nating alamin kung ano ang ating kanan at ang kaliwang kamay. Unahin natin i-gloves ang ating dominant hand at ang aking dominant hand ay aking right hand. So let's proceed. Next na gagawin natin is to grasp cup with thumb and first two fingers of non-dominant hand. Only touching the inside of cup. So kita natin na exposed na ang cuff ng ating gloves. So we just have to pull the gloves over dominant hand. Isuot na natin sa ating dominant hand. With the glove hand, next naman ay isingit natin ang ating daliri under cuff ng kabilang glove with the glove thumb abducted and make sure na hindi nahawakan ng kahit anong parte ng non-dominant hand. So, next ay isuot na natin ang glove for non-dominant hand. And next is we have to make sure that our thumbs and finger fits into proper places. Yan, para mas comfortable tayong gumalaw and mas ayos ang ating gloves. We have to make sure that it fits into proper places. Both of it. Tagalin natin yung mga na-expose pa na hangin sa ating kamay. With glove hands, interlock each fingers into gloves, into each fingers. Dahil tapos na tayo sa pagsusuot ng ating gloves, ngayon naman, ang susunod natin ay ang pagtatanggal ng gloves. So, para matanggal ang ating gloves, dahil madumi na ang outside nito, ang outside gloves natin, dahil after ng mga procedures natin sa hospital, we have to turn it inside out. So, we have to follow instruction na para tanggalin to. So, let's proceed to it. Okay, the first step is to slip glove fingers of dominant hand under the cuff of opposite hand or grasp the outer part at wrist if there is no cuff. So, there is no cuff, mas dangerous na kuhanin kasi baka makontaminate tayo. So, I'll just pull the outer part of the gloves. Pull down the gloves, exposing the thumb. And next is to slip the uncovered thumb at the opposite glove at wrist, only allowing the glove-covered fingers to touch the soiled glove part. Pull down the glove hanggang fingertips lang, almost to fingertips. Yan. And next is to slip gloves onto each other. Okay? With the glove dominant hand, touching only the inside of glove, pull the glove over dominant hand, only the inside to expose the clean spot, the clean side of the glove. And next is to dispose the glove, dispose the soiled glove. And next is we have to wash our hands. And that's all. Thank you.